Build the boost. Inches the car forward. Lights are down, carrying the tires as Grannas wants to.
Time before it does what he needs it to do. This could be the time.
Orange Man Bad right lane, 6-pack left lane. Lights are down. There they go.
There he is. He's got it. He made it without wheel standing. Look at the 8 mile, 4:43 in the 8th. Yes!
686 with a 5 goes Joel Grannas at 184 miles an hour. Big step in the right direction. How about this? Joel Grannas, top of the leaderboard with a 686.5 right there. 184. The mile an hour was actually a little bit down.
The car was on a really good pass there. On that 686 pass, it's unfortunate that the car pretty much shut off on me halfway through fourth due to it was a boost cut. It had an over boost condition. The map sensor wigged out and made it think that it was running too much boost, and it shut the car off. But it was my best 330 and my best 8th mile, so it was on a really good pass. It would have probably been a 670 pass, maybe even better than that. But tonight we're going to run again, and we already ran today so far. This is the 3rd day when I'm making this video. We ran a 7:02 in the heat of the day, so at 213 mile an hour. So the car is healthy, everything's good. We're going to make a really good and hopefully clean class tonight and try to get a new record and a new personal best for me and the crew.